What is meant by philosophy of the Constitution? Constitution is a set of documents according to which the states are formed, and it also sees on what principles and norms the state should run. Modern-day governments can become very powerful because they have control on police force and can also be used by states to curb the freedom of people. Therefore, the Constitution has put limitation on the powers of the government. Thus, Constitution is a set of rules and regulations which defines the power of government and limits the functioning of the state. For example, right to speech is granted by our Constitution to every citizen and is based on the principle that freedom of every citizen should be respected. Political philosophy of our Constitution contains conceptual structure of our Constitution. It explains the meaning of terms like rights, citizenship or democracy, and it also explains the values on which our Constitution is built. Logic behind the formation of a law is explained better when Indian Constitution is read in conjunction with Constituent Assembly debates while justifying the values embedded in it. Therefore, political philosophy helps us to arbitrate between varying interpretations of the values in our polity and in finding the moral value of the law.